Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech means pratyaksh ukti, indirect speech means paraksh ukti. The sentence in inverted comma is called direct speech. Could understand? So, in order to make indirect speech from direct speech, we need to remove inverted comma. Instead of inverted comma, we shall use that to if whether and phi. What are we talking about? Direct speech and indirect speech. Published by BSc Board, Odisha BSc Board under the patronage of Odisha Mass and Education, School and Mass Education. Could understand? What is the topic? The topic is direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech is pratyaksh ukti, indirect speech means paraksh ukti. So, direct speech is generally written in double inverted comma. Right? So, in order to make indirect speech, that means we need to remove inverted comma, and in place of inverted comma, we shall use what? That to if whether and phi. Phi means no, connected. Right? First. Second rule is we will change what? Tense, and sometimes we will change and sometimes we need not. I shall tell you where to change and where not. Could understand? Then the last one is we will change pronoun of the direct speech. So now let's move. Here is the point. Direct speech and indirect speech. In order to change direct speech into indirect speech, rule 1, we have to remove inverted comma. We have to remove double inverted comma. Instead of it, we shall use what? That to if whether. What did I say? That to if whether and phi. So let's know if the sentence in inverted comma is a statement or an assertive sentence or a declarative sentence. You know, statement or assertive declarative sentence means having subject and ends with full stop. In that case, instead of inverted comma, we shall write that. Okay. Next, in interrogative sentence, there are two types of interrogative sentence. One is yes no question, another is WH question. In case of yes no question, we shall write if or whether instead of inverted comma, and will change the places, subject place and the verb place. In a question pattern, first helping verb, then subject. But when we make it a statement, subject will come to front and helping verb will go to next position, that is subject plus helping verb. Could understand? In the question pattern, that is helping verb HV plus subject. This is the question pattern. But when we remove question, it will become subject plus HV. Right? And instead of inverted comma, we shall write either if or whether. Next one is WH question. In case of WH question, I mean if the sentence in inverted comma is a WH question, we need not write any connected conjunction in place of inverted comma. Next one is that is phi. Phi means 0 means 0. So, imperative sentence. In case of imperative sentence, mark that statement ends with full stop. Any imperative sentence also ends with full stop. But statement is having process of having subject, but imperative sentence has no subject. So, that is minus subject. So, in case of imperative sentence, we generally use the connector to instead of inverted comma. Next one is, so here imperative sentence minus subject and ends with full stop. Instead of inverted comma, we use to. Okay. Next one is exclamatory sentence. Bhisma Sucho Vakya. So in case of exclamatory sentence, we generally use that instead of inverted comma. Could understand? Next, we will use that to if whether and x means this is 0. This is 0. Could understand? Not x, this is 0. We will not use anything in case of WH question. Okay. So, when we use what is given below, that is mark the chart below. This is the chart. Could understand? So here is the chart and a mark. What to use, when to use what is given above. This is the chart. Could understand? So here he said, I am a boy. Mark the sentence. This is a direct speech. Here we find two parts. One, he said, another, I am a boy. I am a boy is in inverted comma. Could understand? So he said is reporting verb. This part is called reporting verb. He said is reporting verb, and I am a boy is reported speech. So he said I am a boy. Mark the sentence. It has two parts. The first part he said is reporting verb, and the second part in inverted comma I am a boy is reported speech. Could understand? If reporting verb is in past tense, the verb of the reported speech should be or will be past tense. But if the reported speech refers to scientific or universal truth or habitual fact, tense will not change. किंतु मु कहले जे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जदि पास्ट टेंस थिबो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच भी पास्ट टेंस हबो बट जदि रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रा यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ माने सार्वजनिक सत्य को बुझौथबो और वैज्ञानिक प्रमाण को बुझौथबो और हैबिचुअल फैक्ट प्रतिदिनिया आमर अभ्यासगत घटना बुझौथबो इन दैट केस द टेंस विल नॉट चेंज दिस इज द डेविएशन रूल नेक्स्ट if the reported speech refers to so next 3 pronoun of the reported speech will also change as per need. Okay, now let's move to the next point. Here is the first one. Choose the grammatically acceptable sentence. Yes, Sukumar said comma inverted comma oh exclamatory mark. How I want to see her. Next one is Sukumar said, oh. So, oh, in the first sentence, after oh, there is exclamatory mark. In the second sentence, there is no exclamatory mark after oh. In C, there is also no exclamation mark, and D, there is also no exclamatory mark. So, number 1 is right. Which is correct? Number 1 is A. Could understand? Next one is choose the grammatically acceptable sentence. So, A, the teacher said, I am enjoying my work. B, the teacher said, I am enjoying my work. The same. Oh, the teacher said, I am enjoying my work. There is no full stop in the first sentence. I am enjoying my work. Second, question mark. There is a question mark. No, it is wrong. Because I am enjoying my work is a statement. Question mark should not be there. Second one, the teacher said, I am enjoying my work. Is thus this sentence, the sentence in inverted comma ends with what? Exclamatory mark. So it is wrong because the sentence is a statement. Next one is the teacher said, I am enjoying my work. Here mark that the sentence in inverted comma does not end with any mark. Just ends with inverted comma. So this is wrong. D, the teacher said, I am enjoying my work. So D, so which one is correct? Number 2 is 2. Number 2 C is correct. But here C, number C. Let's see. The teacher said, I am enjoying my work. Here full stop should be used. Let's use. Now number C is fully correct. Could understand? Number C is correct. Number 2. Next one is the teacher. Question number 3. The teacher said water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sentence in inverted comma is water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is scientific proof. So, which is the indirect speech about the sentence? The indirect speech about the sentence कौन कौन हमें करिया inverted comma remove करिया ना? You come here. You come here. First we shall remove inverted comma. Okay. Right? This sentence in inverted comma is a statement, so we shall use that. Instead of inverted comma, we shall use here that. Yes, that use. W will become small letter. Yes, small letter. Water boils at, and here we shall remove what? Inverted comma. Could understand? So tense will not change. The reported verb, the teacher said is in past tense. Boils present tense. But we will not change because the sentence in inverted comma refers to scientific fact. So the sentence is the teacher said that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The teacher said that water boiled. No, it is wrong. Water boils. The teacher said that the water boils at Celsius. Number B is correct. Yes. C number. This is 3. Number B is correct. Right. Number C is incorrect because the teacher said that water boiling, it is wrong. The teacher said that water had boiled, it is also wrong. So next move. Now let's move to the next question. Question is 4. Right? Question number 4. The traveler says present tense. Reporting verb is in present tense. So if the verb in the reporting verb is in present tense, the tense of the reported speech will not change. Could understand? Other things will change. Inverted comma will be removed. Pronouns will be changed. So the traveler says. Now let's remove what? Inverted comma. The traveler says, traveler third person singular number. So instead of I, we shall write he. Yes, traveler कहे जे say he. After he, we shall use he is tired. And let's remove what? Inverted comma. The right answer, the traveler says he is tired. Says that. We shall use that instead of inverted comma because the sentence in inverted comma was a statement. Okay. So right answer is the traveler says that I am tired. He is tired. The traveler says that he was tired. Was is not correct. I am is not correct. So see, the traveler says that he is tired. So number C is correct. What did I say? Number C is correct. Number 4 C is correct. Right? Next one is 5. The Samaj wrote past tense, wrote written. The show is brilliant. Could understand? So this show is brilliant is the sentence in inverted comma. It is a statement because it is having with the subject and ends with full stop. So instead of inverted comma, we shall use what? That. What? That. Yes, that. Next, the verb in reporting verb is in past tense. So the verb in reported should be past tense. Is will become what? Was. Okay. Next, the T will become here. T will become small letter T. The Samaj wrote that this show was brilliant, and let's remove what? Inverted comma. Now the sentence became the Samaj wrote that the show was brilliant. The Samaj reported that the show was brilliant. Brilliant. Instead of wrote here reported is used. So number 5 number A is correct. Number A is correct. Let's see what happened in case of B. So B Samaj reported that the show is wrong because here present tense is used. The Samaj report that the so is, it is also wrong because present tense is used. The Samaj said that so is. So in the other sentences, the present tense is used. So A is correct. Okay. Now let's move number 6. The children said, we play football every day. Every day means habitual fact. If the sentence in inverted comma it refers to general truth, universal truth, scientific fact or habitual fact, generally in that case the tense of the verb does not change. Okay, so the children said we play football every day. The sentence in inverted comma is a statement. Could understand? So we shall use what? That conjunction instead of inverted comma. That wait just 1 minute, I made a mistake. Yes, that W will become small letter. W will become small letter. Yes, the children said that we will play. We will become they. Right? ପିଲାମାନେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ସେମାନେ ପିଲାମାନେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ସେମାନେ said that they play football every day, and let's remove what inverted comma. The sentence is what? The children said that we, no, it's wrong. The children said that they are playing football, it's wrong. And the children said that they play football every day. C is correct. Number 6. Tell me.
Yes.
C is correct. Right? But the children said that they played. No, it is wrong because it is habitual fact. The tense will not change. It will not become played. It will remain play. So number C is correct. Next question is that is what? 7. He said, I am going home. Which sentence is the indirect speech of this sentence? Yes, the sentence in inverted comma is a statement having subject and ends with full stop. So instead of inverted comma, we shall use what? That. Let's use yes. That. Yes, that. He said that से कहला जे से घर को जाऊँगी that I will become जेतु से I will become he. Okay, he am will become was past tense. It will become past tense was. So he said that he was going home and we will remove this inverted comma. Yes, the sentence is he said that he was going home. A is correct. 7 A is correct. Right? B, he said that I was no. I will become he. C, he said that he had gone. Had will not be used. D, he said that I am going. No, it is wrong. So right answer is A. Next one is 8. She said I did the work myself. Mark that the sentence in inverted comma is past tense. In past tense. Did is past tense. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିଥିଲି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ଥିଲେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ହେବ, ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ଥିଲେ ହେଡ଼ ଲାଗିକିରି ଭର୍ବ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟିସିପଲ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. And the sentence in inverted comma is a statement. As it is a statement, we shall use that instead of inverted comma. Yes, inverted comma. That. Okay. And C, I will become C. She said that she. Could understand? Se कहला जे से झीटा. Did will become head. Did will become said that he did the work he had done. He had done. D-O-N-E, done. He had done the work. Myself will become herself. ସିଏ ତା ସିଏ କାମଟା କରିଛି. Myself will become herself. Herself. And we shall remove inverted comma. The right sentence, she said that she had done the work herself. She said that I did. No, it is wrong. She said that she worked. No, it is wrong. Because had should be used. She said that I had done the work. No, I should be changed. She said that she had done the work herself. Number D is correct.
Yes.
Right? Number D is correct. Okay. Next, now let's move to 9. The teacher said, our country became independent in 1947. Past tense mark in previous sentence. The sentence in inverted comma was past tense. So, while changing into indirect speech, we used had. But here, this sentence, our country became independence in 1947. It is also in past tense, but we will not use had, past perfect, because it refers to historical fact. It will remain as usual. So the teacher said, our country became independent in 1940. This is a statement. We shall use that here. Right? That instead of inverted comma. That. Okay, our O will become what? Small letter. Our country became independent in 1947, and let's remove what? Inverted comma, and the sentence is like this. A. The teacher said that our country becomes. No, it is wrong. Teacher said that our country became independent in 1947. Number B is correct. Right?
Yes.
Number B is correct. Next one is 10. I said to him, you did not keep fit last year. Could understand? Last year will become the previous year, and these things will some time adverse will change. So I said to him, you did not keep fit last year. Could understand? So this is a statement in inverted comma. In inverted comma, this sentence is a statement. So we shall use what? That instead of what? Inverted comma. Yes, let's do it. That. Okay. This is that. Okay. So I said to him that yes, this is you. I said to him that I said to him that you did not. I said to him that he did not. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କହିଲି ଯେ ସେ. You will become he. I said to him that he did not kept. This is he had not kept. Time expression is there. It should be. Let's see what happened. So number 10, that is 10A. That he had not. Did not will become had not. You know. Had not kept. Keep will become kept. Right? Kept. Kept fit the previous year. Last year will become previous year. Previous year. Previous year. Year. Right? So we shall remove inverted comma. Could understand? So the right sentence is, I said to him that he had not kept fit previous year. Number 10 is A. Right? Yes. Next one is that is 11. He said, when I saw them, they were playing the tennis. This is a complex sentence. We will not change any past tense. It will remain as usual. So that shall be used instead of inverted comma. So inverted comma. So said that what, when W will become small letter, when, yes, he said that when he saw them, they were playing tennis. When he said that ସେ କହିଲା ଯେ ସିଏ ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲା, so when he said that when he saw them, they were playing tennis. So it is number 11, that is C. He said that when he saw them, they were playing tennis. It's not wrong. He said that when I saw them, it is wrong. He said that when he had seen them, they had been playing. This is correct. C. So it is, he said that when he had seen. When he had seen, he said that when he had seen, they had been So the right answer is C. He said that when he had seen them, they had been playing, not seen, playing tennis. Could understand? So number C is correct. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number C.
Which number? 11 number. 11 number C is correct. Right? Next one is Ramesh said, I helped my friend a lot. So Ramesh said that the sentence in inverted comma is a statement. So we shall use that instead of inverted comma, and it is in the past tense, so we shall use had. So next, first remove inverted comma. Instead of it, we shall write that. Right? Next, Ramesh said that I will become he. Right? He had helped. Had helped his friend. My will become his friend a lot. Let's remove inverted comma. Yes. So Ramesh said that I know it is wrong. B. Ramesh said that I know it's wrong. Ramesh said that he had helped his friend a lot. Number C is correct.
Yes.
Right? Number C is correct. Next one is, tell me, 13. Amrita said, I was helping my brother in the hours of his need. So Amrita said that inverted comma with the, instead of inverted comma, that I will become C. Right? Amrita said that she had been. Could understand? She had been. Say that she had been. Was will become had been. Had been helping her brother. My will become her brother. Her brother in the hours of his need. So inverted comma. Let's remove. So number 13 D is correct. Amrita said that she had been helping her brother in the hours of need.
Yes.
Next one is next. He said 14. That is number 14. What did I say? 14. He said, I shall pay you money tomorrow. So instead of inverted comma, we shall use that he said that I will become he, right? Shall become would, shall will become would, would, would. So he said that he would pay him, would pay me, you will become me, mate daba me money tomorrow. The after tomorrow will become the day after the next day. The next day. The next day. Could understand? Full stop. So number which is correct? Tell me. Number this is 14. Number B is correct. Number B is correct. Could understand? Next one is 15. Leela said, I shall come today. So Leela said that she will come. Said that she will come. She will come. She will come. Said that Leela said that she would come. She would come. Would come.
Yes.
Come. Today will become that day. Today will become that day. That day. Okay. Leela said that she would come. She would come that day. So number 15 is A. Leela said that she would come that day. Next one is number 16. Teacher said, I was very ill yesterday. This sentence can be reported as the teacher said, just teacher said, inverted comma should be remained and that shall be used. The teacher said that he had been, was will become had been very ill yesterday at a previous day. Number this is 16. B. The teacher said that he had been very ill the day before. Yesterday will become the day before. Could understand? The day before. The day before, and let's remove inverted comma. Okay.
While
Oh, I see. Day before. Day before.
A.
Very ill the day before. So this is number what? 16.
16.
Number 16 is that is B. Correct answer is B. Next one is 17. He said, I must go at once. So this sentence can be reported as he said that he said that he said that that I will become he. He next that he said that he must go at once. Let's say remove inverted comma. So he said number A. He said that he would know wrong. He said that he must go at once. B is correct. C is wrong because need is used, and so it is B. 17B is correct, right? 17B is correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next one is 18. That is 18. The doctor said to me, you must not smoke. This sentence can be reported as the doctor said to me. Inverted comma instead of inverted that. Let's use that. Okay. Y will become a small letter. So the doctor said to me that I must. You will become I. I must. I must. I must. I must not smoke. That is 18. You know that is the doctor said told. Said will become. Said to will become told. Told. T-O-L-D told. The doctor told me that I must not. I told me that I must not smoke. That is your 18. C. Smoker. Let's remove inverted comma. So the doctor told me that I must not smoke. This is C. Doctor told me that I must not smoke. Number C is correct. Right. Next, now let's move to the next point. That is okay. We shall do the next part in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.